Look, you don't gotta put your cup down. Hold on, drink freely. And holla at me if you need me. Baby, you should enjoy yourself. Boy, stop need no help. Look, they say fly girls have more fun. So what? So you should enjoy yourself. Yeah. You should enjoy yourself. It's a room full of trap niggas, strap niggas. If the ops run up in this shit, we gon' clap niggas. Wound niggas, some slap niggas. Pockets felt like a fat nigga. Shopping up in Cypress with a couple actors to get Christian Dior. Look, I be all up in the stores. Young nigga, I can buy you what you want. She got a fat ass shorty shaped like Serena. Long hair, brown eyes, shorty look like Selena. Shorty said that she was Puerto Rican. Her pussy wet like Katrina. Oh, 210 on the dashboard. Shorty be clear with